I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. Oh, you meant the world to me, my darling dear. You're never here when I'm in pain. You hide and disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd change.
Aww, that was a woodpecker, but I missed out, and now I'm in a minefield. I have a lot of shit to pick up. There were 2 woodpeckers in the area. One was on that post. There was this weird ticking noise that I heard. It's the first time I've ever seen a woodpecker in Calgary. That's all. I've seen 2 blue jays in my life. One was here as well. One was in Vancouver. It's almost like seeing a rare Pokemon. I saw this blue bird come flying by me, and it looked like an Articuno. Okay, anyways, let's head to the garage. Go on, come on. I think it's breakfast time. I'll give you a snack. Oh my gosh. Now that the snow is melted and I have this view, I can see where all the slippers and shoes still are. Just all over the backyard. A sock. Jeez. So we got one major piece for Shayne's G37, which we unboxed the other day. Yo guys, we just got packaged in. Basically has a moat of bubble wrap around another box inside a box. Are you gonna help?
Yeah, it's 2 boxes.
I was like, yo, that's way big for a hood. Should we install this today? No, it's too cold outside. Our garage is not heated. Not the home garage anyway, and that's where both of our cars are right now. Yeah. No bueno. Oh shit, they gave you the wrong one!
No.
How do you spell aardvark?
A-A-R-D-V-A-R-K. You.
What? I really have to say that part. Yo, it is VIS, dude. That's awesome. VIS is a company that makes replica parts, but they're very high quality. So it's not like a replica of a replica of a replica, which is what Duraflex does. So you know this is probably gonna fit pretty snug. And if not that much modifications. While he's unwrapping that, I'm wrapping this, which is one of the first pieces I got for the A90 actually. It's a EVS tuning fender piece. They don't make it in carbon fiber, so I'm just wrapping it in carbon fiber. I did find a company who's willing to create this part in carbon fiber for me, but it takes me sending out the pieces to them having to mold it, and that might take some time. Yo, there it is, bro. Finally have a carbon fiber hood. What?
That's real nice.
And you know for sure it'll fit, right?
Yeah.
That's the same shape and shit.
Other one, you know, that Jerry had?
Yeah, exactly.
Those vents, guys, were like more on the outside of the hood. This one's more centered and angled.
Yo, man, so clean. Sweet, man.
That's pretty cool.
Just gotta wait for car day now. Today's plan, we're just gonna try and finish up the rest of Shayne's G37 wrap and call it a day, man. Try to crush a full car wrap job in 2 days. That is the goal. So, we're gonna get ready and yeah, it snowed for a little bit last night, as you can see, but I feel like it's gonna be a really nice day today. So, I'm bringing the FRS. Go home. Hello, buddy. You like butt itches? Hello, buddy. Aziz been sorry?
I'm sorry.
What? What the? This kid's taking a shit. Aziz been sorry. Hello?
Hello?
Can I come in? Oh! I'm reevaluating the situation. Here's the carbon fiber Terminator style hood for the G37. We're gonna try to fit it into the Scion XB. And also, since we're in the idea of bringing parts to the garage, like 2 years ago, I gifted Shayne a fake IPL kit for his car. It was Duraflex. This was a little before I knew the super horror stories behind Duraflex. So I ended up getting him the kit, and We tried fitting on the front bumper. It came super deformed, so not even worth our time. We just ended up tossing it in the garbage. But I kept the side skirts, so we're gonna try to fit these on and see if they fit a little better. They don't look deformed in my eyes, and the other one is up there.
What's going on in here?
Are you done your shit? Bruh, I don't know if it's gonna fit, dude. But never doubt, okay guys? I have a feeling if we move the seats up a little bit, you might be squished, but it can go in diagonally. Damn.
Here you go.
It's the first time it's seen real sunlight, dude. Hold up, oh, hey! Hey!
Maybe not, eh?
We did it, guys. Minus one side skirt. Except, look at this. No leg room. I'm just gonna get Shayne to follow me in the FRS. Having two people in this car is probably a bad idea. I'm like an 85-degree angle too, man. This is not even straight. Okay, we're just gonna slowly and safely make our way to the garage.
Yeah. Loud. Yeah. I am fatigued.
It's not often I get to see my own car in third person, okay?
I'm reflecting, think about the life that I chose and the path of the young nigga moving on, and I've been down and
Full on Venom suit. Yeah, I think it's gonna take a little more effort. Probably gonna do this some other day. There you go. I'll put it all the way to the end.
What?
Seriously?
Probably like 50.
No way. That's a good curl. For those of you who are making excuses, we're now open taking gym memberships. Yo, triceps. Yeah, that's perfect. I can keep adding more.
Yeah.
How many bottles? Go, man, go, man. Untouched carbon. Where's that?
For Sunnie. It's gonna be my new house.
No way.
We bought a house. We bought a house, guys. Welcome to 2020. We bought a house.
What are these kids thinking? You never know anymore. Almost finished with this side now. Just working on this pillar. Actually, this KPMF stuff is super easy to work with. Like a little more forgiving than Avery actually. But it is thinner, but I think it's just because of the finish. This is like a dark satin gray. But it has a really nice sheen to it. It has a really nice sheen to it. Guys, we did it. We reached 10K on the new Insta. Believe it or not, the first time around, it took me 2 years to get to 10K, okay? But I appreciate you guys for actually thinking about me, and for the true supporters that actually like seep through their feeds and were able to re-find me again. Thank you. Guys, 10K is the magic number for Instagram because that's when they allow you to actually link stuff on your Instagram story posts. So that's why I think it's an important number. But that's only if you actually utilize Instagram as a tool rather than a means of entertainment. Honestly, losing almost 500,000 followers, that's okay as long as the true supporters are able to re-find me again. We're gonna try and do his trunk. It's basically a small version of his spoiler, which we did yesterday, and we kind of figured out the technique with this wrap. KPMF, like I said, really easy to work with.
Light it up and we smoke. Keep me high up off the ground. In a haze, in the clouds. We ain't ever coming down.
Yo, shout out to Dustin Williams, inspiring me to work out a little bit more. Plus Shayne, man. It's good to surround yourself with people who are actually addicted to working out. Cause I thought about it, man. When I was like a little bit into working out, I didn't know proper form. So I was just wasting my time at the gym, like a full hour. It was just a waste of time because I didn't see progress, no building of strength, no building of muscles. But people like Shayne, my brother Gutu, watching all these instructional videos online kind of taught me the right way to work out. So now I'm kind of getting into it a little more. Let's get started on this trunk. Should be fairly easy, man. I think we're just gonna start, we'll tack down the middle and overstretch it on the sides here because I feel like all the tension is gonna happen in this corner right here.
Think about the life that I chose and the path that a young nigga moving on, and I've been down and out because I was looking for the answer but never really had no question. Tell me that I'm a
Hold up. Yo, what did we do? What did we do? Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't want to overwhelm him. Oh my gosh. My heart. Oh my gosh. Wow. So soft. Oh.
On the ground is this.
What kind is he, Sunnie? You got?
Corgo.
Corgo? Corgi.
Really? Full corgi? That's a corgi?
I was telling the breeder. Looks like a cow.
Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah. Crazy kid. That's so awesome. I feel so bad for him. Hey, man. We both named our dogs after food. Black on gray. Oh, you forgot to put the light in. No, just kidding. Oh, I just fucking touched that! Yo, let's test fit this hood. Oh shit, it's upside down. Oh. It's a 13. Or 14.
I tried. Trying to be cool there. Where's the 10 mil? No one called.
Yeah, it's like just random. Whatever they had in the store. Yeah, I can do it by hand, dude.
Damn, so strong.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
No way.
Don't say that.
Yo, Larry, man.
You guys got the hood?
Yeah, I got the hood.
Okay, my side's in.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Oh yeah?
What the heck? I think so too. It's a little big here. I mean, this part's okay.
I think this
It's
is
just a little big up here, right?
I think if he scooted it that way, because it's really close here. Wow. But
yeah, that looks awesome.
that looks good.
That looks insane, dude. Whoa. So subtle with this gray.
Okay.
Looks good, dude. Holy. Looks a little more complete. Bye, little puff. Oh my god! He just peed in his bed. Yeah.
Good. Bad dog.
Oh, I think that's why he went here for a bit. You put this in the right spot, but...
The rope.
Bad dog! I think I made it over. Alright, see you guys. Shayne the Shamer. Almost there, dude. This thing is looking bad. Good color choice. So yeah, we threw on the front lip and looks a little more complete. This front end's so aggressive looking now. Promise you, man, Shayne's been neglecting this thing, but now we've given it the tender and loving care that it deserves. And that VIS carbon fiber hood, decent fit. Look at that. With this color, it's super subtle, but I actually like that. So you gotta really look closely to figure out that it's carbon. But probably in sunlight, and we actually haven't seen this wrap in pure natural sunlight yet, but probably outside, it's gonna be a lot more noticeable. Let's keep at it. Taillights on. Woo! Dude, I swear, man, this is probably one of the most thorough, best wrap jobs that have transpired in this garage, okay? They actually did such a good job tucking.
If you guys want to restore your headlights, use this. Seriously works.
It's like a two-part. Comes with like one foam pad, but it's almost like a very, very fine light sandpaper, kind of like the Magic Eraser. This kit has a diffuser coming in too. It's gonna cover like this area. So far, so good. What size is this? 19?
245, 19.
245, 19.
40, 245, 40, 19.
These rims used to be black, if you guys remember. Ah, boy. Oh, hey! Okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's it. We did finish the G37. She's looking clean. This is like as far as Shayne's gonna go with this thing. I mean, it's fully paid off, and unlike some people, guilty, before they even pay off their car, they wide body it. Tried forcing this kid into the wide bodying. He doesn't want to cut this thing up. Now, we just gotta prettier up, you know? Add a little bit of finesse. So I'm gonna do a quick B-roll, show you guys what it looks like in natural daylight, and then yeah, probably just end this video. Follow these guys on their Instagram. Big shout outs to Larry, who's the owner of this cute Altezza, aka Thick Tomato, and Sunnie, who is the owner of this 02 inspired BRZ. And then of course, we got Shayne's G37. This kid finally just made his Instagram page public. It's been private for the longest time, and I'm like, dude, your goal should be to get to at least 10,000 followers on Instagram. Honestly, guys, in this day and age, if you aren't using the internet to your advantage to make some sort of profit somehow, or like to have some sort of side hustle, you're wasting your time. Well, online anyway. I still have those days where I'm scrolling aimlessly down Facebook and Instagram, but it's not so often now because I'm a little more aware of my time usage. Kind of still looks too plain for me. But that's me, man. I have my own style. This kid has his, and I respect that. Hey, doggy. Hello. Rohan, high five. Hey, you have a new friend, dude. You have a new friend at the garage. What smell? Hey, bear, bear. You want doggy? You smell doggy. Oh, buddy. Yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah, Jollibees. Sure, Mom. Alright guys, I came here to pick up this guy, but I think I'm gonna end this video too. If you guys want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked. Drop a like for this guy. Oh, and follow this guy on YouTube. We have so many video ideas planned. It's just a matter of getting to them, really. And follow both of us on our Instagrams. Like and leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.